Hello everyone and welcome back. We're here today to show you the BU260 planer thicknesser. This little beast has a 250mm planing width, 180mm in the thicknessing capacity. It's got a mechanical readout for the thicknesser as well. You've got 1 meter on the length of the planing tables. You can take 3mm off the top in one hit. You can take 5mm off the thickness in one hit. It's got a huge 2 kilowatt motor for a single phase machine. But let's run through all the features and show you how it works. So as you can see here, you've got the spiral block, which has 6 flutes, a total of 66 cutters, which are all disposable and turnover, giving you 4 sides you can use. You've got anti-kickback fingers to stop your workpiece from flying back at you. You've got spring-loaded tabletop here. That makes it easier to move it up and down. And all you have to do is release this catch. The table comes down with ease. And then you have a locking handle on both sides to keep your table nice and flat. So on the top here, you can see you've got your planer guard. This is obviously essential for saving your fingers. On the back here, you've got 2 handles, one to release to slide it backwards and forwards, and then another one here to change your angle on your rip fence. You can also adjust the guard up and down using a simple hand turn screw to bring it to the height that you desire. Along the front edge here, you've got your start and stop buttons. You also have your adjustment for the infeed table, which is undo the locking handle. And you can see on the scale there by how much you want to remove in one go. Tighten that back up, and then you're ready to put some wood through. So now we're going to set this up to run timber across the top. I'm going to move the guard all the way up to the fence. I'm going to raise the guard up enough for the wood to pass underneath, but protect my fingers so they don't go anywhere near the cutter block. We're now ready to start the machine up, and we'll just press the start button here. So we've now got a flat surface on the bottom. We need to make a square edge. So first thing I'm going to do is move the guard out to allow the wood to pass through. I'm then going to lower it down so it's fully covering the blade. I can then start the machine up in the dust extraction and run the board. So there we've got one flat side and one flat edge. We now need to get it to the correct thickness and clean the top up, so we're going to turn it into the thicknessing function. That is as simple and can be done with one hand, undoing the locking bolts either side, lift it up into the thicknessing position, move the hood over, and you're ready to go. So this is where you set up your thicknessing to make your wood the correct thickness. First of all, you unlock the bed. You have a mechanical readout here and also a scale. Using this hand wheel, you can lower and raise the bed to your desired thickness. And when you're happy with it, lock the bed back off. This arm here turns on your thicknessing feed, and then you're ready to put the wood through. And there you have it. As you can see, it is quite a little beast. It's got the spiral block as standard, which is a massive step up from your standard terser or flat knife system. You have lack of machining lines. You can remove more material in one go. Each knife is usable 4 times. The options on this machine are the wheel kit, which we have attached to this one down the bottom. You can also have the mortising attachment on the front, so you can include mortising as well as your planing and thicknessing. If you have any questions, please give us a call or send us an email on the addresses below.